Oh my gosh, Aidan, there's a bear. Vanlife officially started, and with that, our drive up north, making our way to Chattahoochee-Oconee National Forest. Llegamos a el Chattahoochee-Oconee National Forest. Aidan está en la parte del host, pero nada, está hermoso este lugar. Tenemos que ver dónde está nuestro sitio, pero hay un río pequeño. Nada, miren, les muestro. It was a Friday, so we luckily got a spot in the campsite. It was $28 a night. We made it to our spot around 4 or 5 p.m. No internet connection, definitely lots of connection with nature. Woo! And yes, we were stoked for being next to the river. Chiquillos. Qué emoción. Like, so we finally got outdoor chairs. So Aidan went to set them up by the creek. And I'm cooking some pasta because we didn't have any lunch, so we're pretty hungry. But yeah, I mean, this is awesome. It was our first spot next to the water. After a very late lunch and right before the rain, we jumped in the water. We were excited to be around Georgia and little by little get closer to more forest, waterfalls, mountains, everything. We made some breakfast burritos and went for a little hike before hitting the road. As we shared some mate during our drive, Our tiny home on wheels from the year 2015 was just crossing the 100,000 miles line. Pretty important moment.
Eso! It's working! No, but mi amor, you gotta do the other one too. Or try to do both. There you go! Yes! Awesome!
On our way to New River Gorge National Park, we spent the night at a farm in West Virginia. We hung out for the rest of the evening and pinched ourselves at every spot we camped. We just felt very fortunate. Even though New River Gorge is free to enter, we were happy to have our annual National Park Pass ready to go. Back on the road, we made it to our first national park.
Welcome to New River Gorge.
Hey.
We got some maps and jumped into exploration mode.
We are overlooking Sandstone Falls. And I think we're gonna cut to Connie's photos.
After overlooking Sandstone's Falls and driving up to Grandview Overlook, we made our way to our first campsite. With a first come, first served camping method, we were lucky enough to get the last spot available over by Glade Creek, where we found ourselves just steps away from one of the most beautiful spots to spend the rest of the evening.
You're crazy! Oye! Oye!
We grabbed our chairs and swimsuits and enjoyed the nature.
Back into exploration mode, we drove 20 miles southeast of the new River Gorge Bridge and visited Babcock State Park. Found a very beautiful and photogenic spot, Clay Creek Grist Mill, a fully functional replica of the original Cooper's Mill. Currently provides freshly ground cornmeal. Looking for some information, we drove to Canyon Rim Visitor Center. We took a peek to the new River Gorge Bridge and planned for our last morning at the park. We found out there wasn't a campground close enough to the start of Long Point Trail, so we headed to Army Camp, enjoyed a little fire, and prepared for what was going to become a very special hike. We're going to Long Point Trail. Let's see how it goes. It took us about 30 minutes to get to this spot, the best view to the new River Gorge Bridge. I love this tree. Because we got to see one of the bald eagles.
Did you guys see the buzzard coming in here?
No.
A buzzard?
It's like a
Buzzard or a vulture, yeah. Check this thing out. That's not
Oh wow. As we passed more people on the trail on our way back, we never thought we would still have an incredible and most beautiful wildlife encounter ever. Oh my gosh, Aidan, there's a bear. We just came back inside the van. Oof. Vimos nuestro primer oso. We saw our first black bear. It was awesome. On the road again, we continue to more adventures.